Oh, it comes with all the ingredients.
Whoa.
Oh. Radio station. Yeah. Forgot what it looked like.
Mom, you can take some pictures if you want. You take that red part off and the cardboard off. That was just for ease in wrapping, so we can actually see what it is. And take that cardboard off of there. Mom, can you reach that cardboard so we can actually see that? Yeah, that was just so it wouldn't break when I wrapped it.
Remote control. Okay,
what do you think, Caleb? What is that?
It's a train station.
Take it out?
Yep, on the train track easily. It's probably all wired.